Top 3 free DJ apps para sa mga beginner na gusto matuto mag-DJ using their laptop. Ulitin ko, yung video na to ay para sa mga beginner na gusto matuto mag-DJ na gamit ang kanilang laptop. Okay, so let's get to the software starting with our app at number 3, DJ by Algoriddim. So this is available on the Mac and on PC, and I really like this dahil marami kang pwedeng gawin doon sa free version niya. You can do all of the DJing basics, may mga effects pa doon, and so on. Mamaya kung naisip mo na gusto mo talaga mag-DJ and gusto mong bayaran yung software na to, you can also use it with up to 5 different devices. So sabihin natin, meron kang Mac, meron kang Windows na computer, may Android ka na tablet, meron kang iOS na phone, you can use it on all of those. Cross-platform siya, kumbaga. Now, our number 2 app is Serato DJ Lite. So, Serato is a very popular DJ software na ginagamit ng maraming professional, pati intermediate na DJs dahil sobrang simple ng interface niya and it's something that just works, it's very stable. I would go for this kung ayaw mo ng komplikado na interface if you just want something that is simple and basic with just enough for you to DJ and to learn the fundamentals and also do a little bit of remixing or live bootleg making or live editing via the stems feature. Tulad ng DJ by Algoriddim, yung Serato DJ Lite, pwede ka rin mag-upgrade to the Pro version later on if you decide that you want to take DJing a little bit more seriously. And now, let's go to our number 1 recommended DJ app for beginners who want to learn how to DJ using their laptop. Virtual DJ. Ito yung pinaka nire-recommend ko dahil yung software na to, pwede mo siya i-download for free and you can use all of the features that are included even in the professional version. Nagagawa mo yan sa Virtual DJ dahil meron siyang tinatawag na home user's license. This basically lets you use the DJ software in its entirety. All of the features are available to you basta hindi mo siya ginagamit para kumita ka at saka hindi mo ginagamit to with a DJ controller or DJ mixer na external. So check out those top 3 beginner DJ apps and let me know if there's any other DJ software that you use and tell me why you think it's good.